Hello everyone, Mike here from Magnus Box, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to lay the groundwork for integrating your Magnus Box server into your Syncro dashboard. Now there's two things that we have to set up in this video that are important. So the first one is we need to have a dedicated Magnus Box user account set up on your server for the API that we need to use in Syncro. So to get that dedicated user account, I'm going to have you email support@magnusbox.com and request the Syncro API user account. So what will happen is our staff will go in and create a dedicated user account that's only to be used for this API. We like having a dedicated user account, that way if for some reason you have to change a password on your main account, it's not going to affect any of these scripts and you won't have to go back and fix anything. So like I said, go ahead and shoot an email over to support@magnusbox.com and we'll get that API account set up for you pretty quick. The second thing that we need to do to lay the groundwork for this integration is to set up some custom fields within the Syncro dashboard. So to do that, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You're going to go ahead and click on Admin, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the Customer section and click on Customer Custom Fields. And as you can see here, I don't have any set up at the moment, so we're going to go ahead and create those. So you're going to go ahead and click on New Field, and then for the name, we're going to call this one Magnus Box Username, and we're going to leave the field type as the text field. And then we're going to go ahead and create the next one, and we're going to go and call this one Magnus Box Password. And then hit Create Customer Field and make sure to leave that as the text field as well. Okay, so those two fields have been created. So what that did is it created new custom fields on your customer accounts. So we're going to click on Customers and load up one of our test accounts. Okay, and you can see here that it created two new custom fields. One is Magnus Box Password and one is Magnus Box Username. As you can see, I already have some information populated in here, so I'm going to show you how to correct that or get that set up on your end so it'll look like ours. You're going to go ahead and click on Edit, and then this is where you're going to enter in the Magnus Box password and the Magnus Box username. Now what this is the user account that's going to be created and utilized on your Magnus Box partner server. So for here, I created a user account on the server, or I want to create a user account on the server called MB Syncro Dev1. And you can see I have my password here, which is the same one, but I would highly recommend auto-genning that password with a 20, 30 character password just so no one can try to get into the account. So we're going to go ahead and save changes, and those passwords will come into play with some of the scripts that we've created. So in this video, I showed you how to lay the groundwork to integrate your Magnus Box partner server into Syncro